Yeah, so in Delia you can see the formation of the petal is different. And now if you see the cherry blossom petal shape is different. So every flower has a different petal shape. After doing this, what you can do, you have to give shade. For the shading part, I am using 005 number pen. For this, you will be putting little bit strokes like this to give depth in your drawing. This way, you will be giving strokes. Place your pen on the paper and shoot the stroke. Place the pen on your paper and shoot. The shoot should be according to how much shaded part you want to show. It's not that you have to fill all the overturns here. Somewhere you can, some or the other way you can give the shaded part like this. Don't fill each and every part here. And giving it more depth, I see, to give it a little bit realistic way, you can extend these outer, little bit outer, so it looks little bit realistic. Okay, and now you can fill little bit dark spaces here. And outline again so that it give a definite shape here. Okay, so this way we have completed the upper part of the flower. Now we will, by using 02 pen, I will be outlining the each petal like this. This is one petal, this is the second one. Okay, you just have to overwrite. I hope you all are going along with me, and I would love to see how you have come up with the work. Is that okay? I have outlined the petal. Now I will be completing the shaded part of the petal. See here, you can give the darker shade so that you get a depth in your flower. It seems as if too many petals are down beneath it. Okay. Now how you will put shading? See, here is the stroke. We have to give shade according to the arc. See, this is the arc of the petal. So we will give shade, run our hand according to the curve of the petal. This way. Curve of the petal. Okay. And as this is underneath, you can give full strokes here. These are underneath, so you can give full strokes here, but here you can give half strokes. Somewhere you are giving strokes and somewhere you are leaving the negative spaces so that it looks three-dimensional. Okay, or the effect, light effect. See here, this is the arc, so I will be shooting arcs like this according to the arc of the petal. Clear? You can give little bit darker here. Put little bit dark portion here. it will give volume to the flower. Okay, now we will be drawing leaves. These are the wavy lines you have to draw this way. From here also form a wavy line. Means the shape of the leaf is like this. The basic shape is like this and you have given a wave here. Okay. The next part here, the next leaf,